Bafowethu, senibingelele kwi-Perfect TV. Sibonga ukuthi niphinde nabuya. Sibuyile-ke futhi siyazi last week aseniphathelanga i-episode I Blew It. Lamhlanje siphethe i-episode kaJimmy.
Yes.
Bathi ucaptain ukapitano wangapha uthi
Pretoria.
Pretoria.
Yes. So uJimmy, just a backstory. Wayekade sebenza in those programs emphakathini whereby he's the one advising like iy'ngane zesikole about careers, choosing careers, yabona nje which paths to take in life, and later on wathola a chance to go abroad. So bekade enza ama-cultural exchange yabo with ama-agencies abroad. So uthi wayekwenza nini ngo-2010 while thina besibuka i-World Cup uJimmy ube busy ethi wena UK wena America in
yeah abathe bezohamba nayo kodwa i-Germany ne-Mexico. Abanga.
Okay.
Yeah.
So uJimmy, so why umuntu nje ujwayele ukutraveler internationally, living that life. Beautiful, right? Yeah. So wabuya ke la in SA kwakunomgcwabo kamnganakhe. So imgcwabo ke niyayazi ke nani ukuthi sesayenza ini manje. Sekuba umgcwabo bese kuba after tears. So kuleyo after tears ke khona, it was in Pretoria still. It was nice kuphuza utshwala, and makuphuza utshwala khona kuleyo mngcwabo kuspinwa neimoto ke. So kwakwade kuspinwa imoto kanti imoto espinayo izomshayisa. So yamshayisa imoto and he blacked out. And I blackout yakhe uthi wavuka after 7 days.
I see you phela.
Yeah, he was in a critical condition. Ushilo na ukuthi ngendlela critical ngayo abantu basebeqele bethi RIP. Imagine. But anyways, mayevuka ke obviously babona udokotela ukuthi uthikamezekile engqondweni. So mayese discharged, they took him around town to show him around town. Baqale phansi bemfundisa ukuthi lana ikephi. Ushilo naye ukuthi it was a very sad time for him, up to a point whereby mayefika kubo kukhona niyazi ke nani ukuthi sine crisis yamanzi eSouth Africa. So it's nothing new ukuthi kunemizi la khona kukhilelwa khona amanzi. Wayechama ebhakedeni lokukhelela amanzi bese efuna ukuchitha lo mchamo kwamanye amabhakede anamanzi akumele asebenze throughout the day. So now ifamily yabona lapho ukuthi no, lo muntu lo akekho right ekhanda. And there was a lady owayehlala ngakubo owayeqeda kuthola naye imendlela zakhe indodla zakhe. So wamxhumanisa ne-lawyer ayekade isebenzisa baqala ke nama applications for uJimmy. This was in 2014 2015.
Yes.
And then uJimmy i-process yakhe shuthi ethathe about 4 years because imali wayithola ngo-2019 and wathola 1.9 million.
Wafika thola 1 million.
Wathola 1.1 million kwase wathola 800,000. Yes. So in total kwaba 1.9 million. Okay.
Yes.
So wayenza ke into enhle because angithi uma wakhe wayecela ukuthi angcwatshwe nendoda yakhe mayishona. They did that, and then wabenzela itshe ke kwavulwa itshe kwakuthiwa ena kwakumnandi ngalendlela ukuthi kwakunama section kuleyo unveiling, kune VIP section la khona kwakuphuza khona ama VSOP nama Hennessy khona. Like guys, I don't understand this obsession of abantu I Blew It no tshwala. Like mhlawumbe ukuthi asiphuzi thina utshwala ngapha singa understand.
Yeah, that's right.
Because almost on kama episode, not even almost on eseke ngawabona.
Tshwala kuhlezi involved.
Like kuhlezi kuzomeasurisha.
Yazi mina into engiyibuka I Blew It. Into ebulala abantu kakhulu ba I Blew It utshwala.
Yes.
Utshwala amachita amantombazana.
Yes.
Mase kuhamba amaloya ayiqedile imali.
Iloya vele izoyithatha ngisho.
Hayi lawa bayithatha.
Uma futhi benethuba lokuthi bakugebhule even further, they are going to do that.
Mawubuka uJimmy.
Angithi khona nje amaloya currently under investigation ngayo ifraud
yakwa malini konje angisazi malini imali yangempela.
Yes.
uJimmy uthi ulimele ikhanda waze waba mentally ill. hayi phela sikhuluma ngo5 yaphezulu
okungenzeka ukuthi lawyer yakhe yamgebula still but still kulo 1.9 million awuthola ayinayo uJimmy ngeke mina into engiyibona ngoJimmy since wayengekho right ekhanda kwakuumuntu angithi kwakumele assignwe in this instance caregiver and then kube yibona abantu that are in charge of his finances because okay yes I guess let's assume ukuthi umrobile useyitholile ile ayitholile yona ke isebenza kanjani ke iba kanjani ezandleni zomuntu who's mentally unstable
episode esayenze ukugcina uqale kahle na uJimmy wenzela umama wakhe Tombstone kwangathi uza kahle hayi yaqala ngoba nentombi edecent
mana singakafika entombini edecent ne uJimmy sisakhuluma ngeunveiling beku top class tshwala galo okay and then wapha kumuntu ekhaya kubo oma 500 wapha ama 500 it's just
nje phela ubona ukuthi wenza
yes yabo got 500
yeah osukwini just thatha nguphiwa
yeah I guess ngayithatha phela nami vele yabo and then ngaso sona leso sikhathi eqeda kuthola imali waya kulesiho wathi no mfethu I need to talk to you, you know what I mean, and then let's go somewhere quiet, you know what I mean, and then he was like yazi mfethu no we studio kade ngifuna ukurecorda kusona 10 years zonke ngizama ukuthola le record label lutho how mfethu ngifeatureisha phela
azange efike studio kwathiwa kugcwele
no
uyena besidoubt ukuthi le studio lesi
mhlawumbe kugcwele amapurisa abacula abaphezulu siyashisa lesa studio siyashisa lesa studio sinama masters
yeah
anyways awavuma ugirl obviously I also feel like naye uvunyiswa ukuthi lo muntu lo uphunyelwe imali otherwise phela uJimmy it's not like he's a looker. Okay, I still feel like mhlambe wayengavuma even that time esa traveler internationally just for that thing. It's my boyfriend is not here, he's abroad. Yabo, but no. Kodwa ngoba sephethe imali esandleni ewala useyavuma. Yabo, I also just feel like naye she was setting herself up for failure, like nawe ngabe ushaya hit and run mfethu vuma ukujola naye. But anyways, untombi yakhe ke yamsiza because uthe ufuna nje ugeThekwini ahambe yedwa ayoshaya umoya
yaxaye kuNtombazana umuntu onjani ufuna ukuyeThekwini yedwa mina ngiyintombi yakhe angishiye ngiyafuna uku-enjoy yathi hayi intombazana cool
phela nayithi sanguthi no this person has been through much they just need to think
ayibona njalo nawe uthi akekho right
yabona naye wayabona lo asisi ukuthi lo muntu lo ngathi uyasayiloma
because into nje leyo isobala ukuthi lo muntu ayizumathi okay
yeah but yamsiza ke yambhokhela ke waya ke PA Garden Court eMhlanga yes wahlala eGarden Court eMhlanga u7 days yabo and mayefika eThekwini uthi njena he wanted to explore Durban and what does he mean by that
Shudela kulo 7 days bena nezingane ezahlukahlukene
nabantu abahlukene that's what he meant mayithi ufuna ukuexplore Durban
uthi uyifica clubini yayithatha exenini ku4000
yes but it kind of gave rapey vibes also mayesho njalo and the way besha isifuba ngakhona
no
phela umuntu odakewa ka consent
amantombazane khona kuthanda most la sema
you think so
yeah
okay let's assume yeah. Hey, but no I don't want to assume that it sounds rapey
awuphuzi wena inkinga
yeah but it still sounds rapey like ulomjije lokade ethi yena ubefika endaweni afike wena ace of spades iboma Dom Perignon yabo kube manzi tafula and then kuphuzwe kube right ahambe nayo intombazana let's assume ukuthi intombazana bivuma ukuhamba naye but after drinking it Dom Perignon no ace of spades lithini percent le alcohol emzimbeni you see why I say it's giving rapey vibes
yini ngavuka yombopha
I don't know mhlawumbe ukuthi ekseni uthi kade bheja ngo4000 abanika umavuso ka4000 it still feels rapey by the way
to you
it's guys yeah no this is rape culture
like, yeah that's life clubbing phela ngeke urelate wena don't drink
okay but anyways eThekwini ubenza leyo nto every day up until ahambe ade phila nje leyo nto leyo
uthi spend namalini
150k spend eThekwini
excluding i-transport i-transport yakhe le emhambisi phela yabona onomuntu no driver excluding i-flight yokuze eThekwini uthi hayi ba lapho bale accommodation nje ihotel cost 7 days phela and emhlanga futhi phethe 5 star.
Yeah, I know. But yeah, he had a blast. No, eThekwini namphilisa. Naye washo bebuya wabatshela abangani bakho kusafethu mina eThekwini I lived. Bona bengibambani.
Actually Tina eKZN iJohannesburg is a big thing ngithi. Nala eJozi iDurban it's a big thing because on eBlue it even ngisho besuka ko Northwest mayithola le mali le
Ngiwe eThekwini
sizodlula eCape Town kodwa nje iTheku first stop
kaloko ila eTheku libenzana abantu eThekwini guys wonke umuntu onemali ufuna ukuya eThekwini uzoba
eThekwini oyitholayo uze eJozi
akayi Cape Town
uzoya nakhona kodwa nakhona first stop la phela eCape Town sinokuthi ipholile kanti iJozi yazi ubumnandi khona.
Okay, well if you say so.
Yes.
But anyways, kuze kunengoma ePitoli ethi hlapa ube wethe ukenye chelete riye Durban. Bazobloma lamantombazana seThekwini bana bashaka Zulu. So I guess it has that vibe because no abantu eThekwini are free spirited but wayidla ke imali yakhe eThekwini kwamnandi wabuya ke la ePretoria whereby intombi yakhe yaqala ke yathi no man listen awenze phela into etangible ngemali yakho and then uyihlukanise ukuthi you're going to squander this much for this and then you're going to use that much for entertainment. Okay fine. Wathi uthenga indlu eMabopane. Okay, wathenga ama venture out 3. So I'm guessing ma venture ashayi local.
Yeah.
Okay,
like
and then nayo wayithengela imoto encane. Okay, good, right? Yeah. Inkinga ke endlini leyo bese kuhlale kuyiphathi. Kuhlale kuyiphathi endlini, kuhlezi kunabantu, kuhlezi kuutshwala and nani niyabazi abantu ba-iBlue it bahlezi benexoku zabangani. Abangani futhi abekade bengekho, abasha.
Abangaziwa umuntu.
Yes, so naye same case, benabangani abasha.
Abatsheneke.
Akakufuni ke lokho and uyasho nosisi wakho ukuthi uJimmy imali imshintshile ubese ngamazi umunye umuntu kena nje busesichaka nje usungumanyanyisa nje umuntu because I remember intombi yakhe yamenzela i-surprise party. Okay, ezalo. So intombi yakhe organize everything, set up decor and what not. Yase icela abantu abangani bakhe la bazobe befikile ukuthi you know what? I'm going to do the decor and take care of food. Can you guys please buy alcohol? Because now this is a surprise party for Ujim. Guess what? Their friends didn't buy alcohol because they know ukuthi hayibo thina sijolo ukuthengela uJim indaba manje kube ithini kumele sithenge utshwala. And when Jimmy came through and it was surprise, he was actually disgusted. Wanyanya wathi, is this the best you could do? Like, usho kanjalo umuntu efake i-effort wa kwenzela i-surprise party. Akagcinanga lapho. Kuthi kusahleliwe ke because uyasho na ukuthi and into enginyanyisa ngayo yonke le setup ukuthi la bonke lamatabala mele be accommodate yimina. So uJimmy ended up buying alcohol and stuff for abangani bakhe. La nabo abangani bakhe bangumanyanyisa damn.
Angase abangani.
Yeah, bangama-parasite shame laba bantu ababefikile lapha.
Because kulaba ngiboti namanje khona osamazi nje uJimmy.
True. And into ayenza kuJimmy ngoba yena useyisikhokho and intombi yakhe imenzele phansi ngokusho kwakhe. Wabiza amanye amantombazane khona lapho kuleyo party. And kwathi kusahleliwe yaphuma intombazane eyodwa ebathroom wasukuma uJimmy ayilandela hayibo uyabona usisi ukuthi khipha boma wathi la wabalandela mayefika ebathroom bayacabuzana uyabuza ukuthi hayibo what's going on kuthiwa hey awukahle wena
kwana impahla echeap
wakhumula ijezi usisi walidonsa uJimmy walishikisha phansi wathi gqokani impahla eyishiphi utholise hawakhala ke lapho, and that was the point whereby she left the guy and blocked the guy. Okay, I think kwazenzele favor lapho. Yes, I think kwazenzele favor lapho. Yabo, because ayibulo umuntu lo usayilala namantombazane nje galo uzagule phela. But anyways, uphilile uJimmy.
Kakhulu. Nama parasites akhe begcweleke.
And uthi ukuphela kwemali yakhe guys kuzabona ukuthi imali isiphelile.
Umuntu uzobotha ayikho right. Qhubeka ngesitory uzozutha ayikho right.
No, singaze sifike kupheleni kwemali. uJim shuthi mayephuza nabangani bakhe laba wayedakwe beyishet. Understand, and pass out. And then abangani laba babemkhutha ngithi niyasazi nesitayela sabantu bayeBlue sokudraw imali every day. Babemkhutha bathathe yona leyo mali eseleyo suku bathathe nefone. So kwakuyinto ejwayelekile nje uyothenga ifone yena njalo uyothenga ifone. You understand? And then njengoba kadusho ukuthi uzubonisa kaphilile kahle
khaya nempahla.
Yes.
Mina uyangixaka mina uthi kathi imali engana no.9 usungazothenga uRolex.
Thenga wena Rolex, wena Gucci shoes, wena ini. Hey bo Jimmy, Captain Jimmy.
Hayi kodwa into engithandayo ekugcineni.
Yeah.
Uyasho ukuthi enjoy imali yakhe. Ngasingathi ana regret.
Angeke angakusho lokho uJimmy akaphilile kahle ekhanda. Angeke azangakusho lokho ukuze ubone futhi ukuthi akaphilile ngempela ekhanda phela mangabe wenza ama transaction unya report or something. Wathi yena ukubona kwakho ukuthi akasenamali. Ubhizi ukudla breakfast eMenlyn. Yes. Uya-order udla wakhe with their finest champagne. Mase kumele wakhokhe ikhadi la decline. Uthi kubona ucela ukujikela ku-ATM yabona ukuthi ikhipha bomawathi mayifaka ATM ikhadi no 800 like wena ubungabona ukuthi kuse
from 1.9
kusekuno 800 like that's drastic bro. Phela abantu abaningi banokubona mhlawumbe kuselo 15 something 20 hayibo yena ubona 800 I was like bro
akekho right umuntu abheda udoctor lo wayemnaka
ukuthi abazange bamnika incwadi zakhe.
Yes, usho ukuthi akekho right.
Ngoba kwakumele bamnika
imali mayiphuma njengoba usho iphumele i-social worker wathi
iphuma i-caregive.
Because lo muntu ngeke ukuthi wena ungaspenda u100,000 ngokwenza tombstone ngini kuphela into ephathekayo uthi awuna regret.
How
uhappy imali yadliwa.
Mana akugcini lapho. Akasena mali kuselo 800. Wenzani? Got rid of amaventure. Amaventure they are a mean of income. Got rid of amaventure. Excuse yakhe ithini na kuneventure bikade lokho istaka vele so uyabona ukuthi umthwalo. Got rid of that one. Okay, fine. Let's assume he was telling the truth. So he had to get rid of that one. Okay? Le enye I don't know what happened to it, but enye wabambisa ngayo kumashonisa. Wathatha 20,000 kumashonisa wabambisa ngeventure.
Uthi imoto yakhe u20.
Yabo? And then imoto encane akwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kuyona. But nayo ayisekho. And lo 20,000 akawuthatha kumashonisa. Ayikho into ayenza ngaleyo mali. Waqhubeka waphuza utshwala.
Abangani bakhe bangena utshotha impahla endlini.
Yes. Wathi ena kubo endlini uqekezelo. Kuthathwe ini a washing machine and what?
Yeah, washing machine.
Oh, there was something else.
Ukuthi ahlahlelo hamba uyabo wahamba ubambisa kumashonisa.
Well, because now
edlule kukhona iTV nezinto ayidlule zonke
awuthatha umshini wokwasha kuphela and I don't remember what else they took, but they took 2 things. Bashiya everything else. Hayibo lezo zinto ayimikise Cash Crusaders lo. Wathola lawo masente awatholayo. And you know what the kicker is? Le ndla yethu ithengile. Kwakuyindla irentayo. Wayengayithengile indlu, wayerenta lapha and nakhona waphuma khona esibuyela kubo ngesamagundwane wayese owa rent for 6 months. He was 6 months behind on rent. guys. And then he says he has no regrets. No, he does have regrets. What's ngoba? Yeah, I don't want to say this word anymore. But I do feel like kumele athole incwadi zokuthi akekho right ekhanda, even a mental evaluation of some sorts, because fam, it's not giving. Nendlela akakhuluma ngayo kwimanje, if we could put a clip la besonfakela guys, ngisho indlela okukhuluma ngayo uyamuzwa lo muntu ukuthi it's not giving. But anyways, that's what happened ku iBlue namhlanje. And my girl Ulisiho namanje, she's still cute. I really don't know why I fage kuJimmy in the first place. Imali nesono nkosi yami. Imali nesono. Kodwa yena kuna Ulisiho akamlalelanga, even though kwakuyi studio ayifuna ukurecorda kusona for over 10 years.
Yeah. That's it for today.
Yeah, that's it guys for today. Sizophinda futhi next week siniphathele recap once again iBlue siniphe nama opinion ethu. Nani ningasipha awenu in the comment section. It's not wrong guys ukuthi nawe ube opinion nawe usho ukuthi ubucabanga ngesituation kaJimmy. It's okay. I mean, mina personally ngicabanga ukuthi akekho right kahle 100%, kuneyintambo ezilusi, but mhlawumbe wena ungacabanga ngokunye and ungayiviewa ngelinyiso lendaba. Awusitshene ukuthi wena ucabanga in the comment sections, and thina sizokubona in the next video. Bye.